Hey there guys, and welcome to another video. Here we have the Gigabyte graphic card, the Eagle version, overclocked with 8 GB VRAM. It has the ray tracing and DLSS. It's a new architecture, it's the Ampere Arch. And let's do the unboxing. Here is the graphic card. It looks quite cool. It has an RGB here. It shows Eagle. Let's peel this one off. This one. Maybe through here. Can I? It's very difficult to take it off. Oh yeah, it's a very cool looking card. It's definitely taller than other graphic cards, like for example Gigabyte, which basically it's around here, it's ending. This one's a little bit taller, and the fans are, I think they might be 80 millimeters. Yeah, 80 millimeters fan. It has 2 HDMI's and 2 display ports. It has a protection over here. On this side, the airflow circulating from here to here, and as it shows in on the box, and the back side, they are reversed. Yeah, they are flowing this way, opposite direction, so that it will not create turbulence. Or maybe like this. Yeah, like this it's going. Yeah. So the wind is blowed through here, here, and here. Unlike other graphic cards, this one has a better airflow. Unfortunately, it has this back plate is just plastic. Not sure if it's helping to cool it down. I think it's only just for protection, as it's also advertised here. Yeah, protection back plate, only this one. And for protection. And on the top it has the 8-pin connector. The radiator has only one single pipe. It starts from here, goes through the back, then back to the front, and it ends up here. Yeah, well, at least it's not a very powerful card. The TDP advertised it's around 200-250 watts. Maximum goes probably to 300 watts if you overclock it. or extreme overclocking. This one, this version, the Eagle version, has a higher overclocking frequency, therefore you will have better results in gaming or mining. Yeah, very nice, cool looking card. Now we will do some tests and to see how this card is working. Yeah, just like this. Eagle Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3050. Alright.